It's April 1st, 2024. As you can see, the garden is getting slightly greener. Let's start the update with the asparagus. As you can see, there's a few more asparagus sprouts coming up. And this one is the biggest one for now. It's ready for harvest. And there's also a few tiny purple ones. And it looks like rhubarb is gonna flower. And over here's the peony. You can see the flowers are forming from these new growth. And there's actually several flowers. Hopefully these will all fully mature and open. And here's all the bulb plants. They're not doing too well, actually. For example, this one is the Persian pearl tulip. And then this is the summer snowflakes. Looks like all the leaves are dying. Here's the crocus. Seeing pretty much the same thing. And here's the patio. You can see a lot of new growth. Here's the hydrangea. You can see flowers are forming. And there's flowers all over the plants that are forming. You can see here's another bunch of flowers. Here's another one. So we'll probably get a lot of flowers this year from this hydrangea. This other variety of hydrangea doesn't look like it's forming any flowers, but there's a lot of new growth. And here's the lily of the valley. You can see they have started to sprout. And here's a few more sprouts from the lily of the valley. Also, the winter jewel flowers are still around. And here's hoya. You can see the hoya is flowering. Here's a bunch of flowers. Here's another bunch. The flowers have already formed and are gonna open pretty soon. And the pineapple, it's getting bigger still.